Hi dear. Double equal and triple equal operator has always been the topic of online discussion. Let's see how these two are different from each other. Double equal sign checks for loose equality, while triple equal sign checks for strict equality. The difference is that loose equality will attempt to resolve the data type via type coercion before making a comparison, right? While strict equality or triple equal sign will return false if the data types are different. Let me give you some examples to understand it better. In example 1, you can see that using double equal sign returns true because the string 2 is converted to the number 2 before the comparison is made. The string 2 is converted to number 2. Okay, that's why it returns true. But in triple equal sign, it sees the types are different. 2 is the number and 2 is the string. So it returns false. This is 2 is the number and 2 is the string. That's why it is returning false. Now let's move ahead into our second example. So in example 2, we can see that double equal signs returns true because in JavaScript, true is 1 and false is 0. So it is converted to 1 is converted to true. That's why it is returning true, right? And in triple equal sign, we can see it is returning in false because it is not converting in the 1 to true. Yeah. So that's why it is returning false in strict equality or triple equal sign. Now let's move ahead into our third example. This is an interesting example. In strict equality, we can see that it returns false. This also illustrates that the string literals are different from string objects. However, in loose equality, it converts the object into literals. That's why it is returning true. So which one is better to use, double equal or triple equal? It is better to use triple equal or strict equality in your code because it will increase the clarity of the code and prevent any false positive. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe for more contents like this. I will see you in the next video.